Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to reset the tyre rotation light on this Mazda CX5. Now the warning's not actually on this one at the minute, we've just cleared it out, but it normally comes up in the right hand side display here when you put the ignition on and start it up, just a message saying about the tyre rotation. Now it's really straightforward to reset. All we need to do is just use the buttons on the steering wheel here. Basically if you just cycle through, just try focus, just cycle and just focus on there just to show you as the sun's glaring it a bit. But if you scroll down to the settings option, just to select it, you just simply press and hold in the middle, and then when you release it, it'll just come up with a menu there. You can scroll down, just again obviously just use the up and down and then just press the center to select. So if we just scroll down on there, you've got an option saying maintenance. Go into maintenance, you can scroll down, you've got tyre rotation, and you can either go in there and set a distance and it will come on, or you can just simply go back, tyre rotation, and just turn it off. And if you either reset the distance or turn it off, that'll get rid of the message. So hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.